Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm preparing simple and quick recipe that is Bombay chapati sandwich. You can have this as snack or dinner. The ingredients are very few and within no time you can prepare this recipe. This recipe works out well when you got leftover chapati of previous night or morning, so you can use them for making this recipe. For the veggies, you can use any veggies you got in hand like tomato, onion, carrot, cucumber, capsicum, potato, spinach, etc. etc. Here I have taken cabbage, carrot, capsicum, potato, and spinach. Then I have got 3 to 4 chapatis. For seasoning the veggies, you need chaat masala, salt, and black pepper. Then you will need cheese and mint chutney. If you like the vegetables to be cooked, you can do so, or else if you like the crunch of the vegetables, you can skip cooking the vegetables. Let's cook the veggies. Take a pan, add oil, and then add cabbage, capsicum, carrot. Saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Boil the potatoes beforehand so that it's easy to cut them while you're preparing it, or else you have to wait for cooling the potatoes. So it makes the work easier and quicker. Transfer the vegetables to another bowl and in the same pan add the spinach to salt them. So all the veggies are cooked, keep aside to cool down. Let's move on to the next step. Layering the chapati sandwich is fun. If you have got kids at home, you can tell them to prepare their own chapati sandwich. You need chapatis or roti, mint chutney, cheese, chaat masala, and the cooked veggies. Place a chapati on the board or a plate so that it's easy to layer them. I have used plate for layering the chapati sandwich. Take a chapati, place it on a plate, and then spread green chutney on top. Add the veggies. In the first layer, I have added cabbage, onion, potato, and carrot. Add salt, black pepper powder, chaat masala on top of veggies so that it gives an extra taste to the sandwich. You can add black pepper powder if needed, or else you can skip it. Chaat masala powder is a must for the sandwich, which gives the better feeling of Bombay street food. Generously spread the masala powder, salt, and pepper onto the veggies. Don't add more. You can use your finger or a measuring spoon to sprinkle the powder. Time to add the cheese. I use mozzarella shredded cheese. Another must-have ingredient for the sandwich is the cheese, which gives another flavor for the sandwich. If you are a cheese lover, you can add cheese on top of the veggies as much as you want, or else you can add paneer instead of cheese. Now moving on to the second layer, add the second chapati on top, spread the green chutney and add the veggies of your choice. Here I have added spinach, carrot, cabbage, potato and onion and even bell pepper. After layering the vegetables, sprinkle the masala powders like chaat masala, salt, black pepper powder on top of the veggies. Then add cheese on top of the veggies, which is a final layering for the second layer. Here I have used only 2 chapatis for layering and the third chapati for covering the top, which is the final part of making the sandwich. Press the top layer with your hand a bit hard so that everything is stuck together. Moving to the final step, heat the pan, add oil and butter Let it melt. After the oil is hot, slowly slide the chapati sandwich onto the pan. Try to be gentle and slow so that the filling doesn't fall off from the sandwich. Cover the pan with a lid. Let the chapati sandwich cook on one side. Reduce the flame to low so that it doesn't get burnt quickly. Add oil or butter more and then flip the chapati to the other side and it gets cooked well. Now both the sides are cooked and it has come out well. Serve the sandwich when it is hot. Cut the sandwich into half or into a triangle shape while serving. Serve this Bombay chapati sandwich with tomato ketchup or tamarind sauce. Here I have cut the sandwich into triangle shape. While cutting, you should be careful and slowly try to make the shape perfect so that it looks better. Hope you liked watching this video. Give a big thumbs up if you like and also please comment in the below section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.